like, they did and it almost lit the tree on fire. I mean, like, super big. Three. 1, 2, 3 of them are going off. 1, 2, 3 of them are coming off.
Do you know who shoots them off, Ian?
Who?
Mr. Arnold.
Really?
Yep.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because he's really good at that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
He likes shooting off fireworks because he's a professional.
Yeah. He likes the
Explosive.
He likes to do fun stuff, so.
Ooh. Look at all the smoke that Look at all the smoke.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that smoke.
Whoa.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. Whoa! Guys, that was awesome. Hey, Mom, there were like floating ones. Mom, but there was even a better one that like had floating ones. That looked like glitter. Sparkling glitter. And the other one's coming up. Did you see that one? Stars are falling. Oh, see, the stars are still falling there. Big one's going. Look at this. Whoa! Mom, did you see that one? Big one's coming up. Whoa! Look, it's like raining. Pixie dust. What? Yeah, I know. Whoa. I still have my one. Hey, Dad, I want an orange slice. Get one. They're pretty big. Mom, a big one's coming. A big one's coming. One ginormous one is coming. Yeah, there's a smiley face. Ooh, that's a smiley face.
Anything.
Oh, look, I can see a satellite. Well, still. A big one's going way up. I'm good. We're all splitting into these things.
I like that. Ooh,
Wow.
that was cool.
Hey, Mom, when I was little, I thought they were coming at me. And I was always so scared. So I would always like jump at. One's coming up. Oh, one was very close to the ground. The three big ones. Are coming on here. The other three big ones. Wow, that one was cool. Ooh. Whoa. Boom. One ginormous one. I just like them when they're pretty. Look at that candy falling in the sky. Super pretty.
It is super pretty. And look at that. It looks like fairy dust.
Look at all the streamers falling. I love those. So cool. Mom, see all the streamers falling? See all the streamers falling? Those are really pretty. Those are so
Like gold dust.
That was kind of cool.
Yeah.
One big one's coming. One big one's coming. I can feel it. Whoa! Check that out. That was so cool.
Wasn't even the fence.
Mom, look at
Yeah,
this.
that's great.
Tree are coming up. Those are the American flag colors.
Oh, there was.
Oh, look at that. It was
Whoa.
Stars for America. Yeah, no, I saw the stars. Did you know fireworks can actually spell stuff? So they could say, oh, smiley face! Oh, smiley face! Oh, big smile. A smiley face! They're so awesome. Whoa! Whoa! Falling stars. Really big ones are coming. Ooh, look at that. One bit high one's gonna come. That one was kind of cool. It was like,
Oh.
wow. One fireworks coming up. It's really good. Whoa, the green pond. Ooh. The big one's coming. Oh, one of them was a dud. I saw a dud. It showed a face, like a goat face or something like that. Showing important people on, like after like shocks. That was a fish. That was a ball. Two fireworks. Big one's coming. I can feel it. Imagine how much this echoes on the lines. This should cost like two fireworks.
Look at that. It's sparkling.
Ooh.
Are you having some puffins, Gideon?
Ginormous ones, I'm pretty sure. Oh.
Oh, cool.
Two smiley faces together.
I think that was intended to say USA. Oh, there it is.
It said USA on it.
There's another one that said USA.
This will be fun.
Here we go. Look at that.
Spelled out USA and like so pretty but scary.
Look at that. I think it's the finale.